We're here in Leederville at the Dismantle headquarters. I'm very lucky. I've been selected out of 6 people to be in the running for a $10,000 grant to support my community work. I started volunteering with Dismantle at the start of the year. I've been spending a little bit more time in Perth than what I usually do, and I've always wanted to give back to my community. I went out in search of some charity and volunteer work and came across Dismantle. Dismantle is all about pulling bikes apart, putting them back together, teaching kids how to set goals, overcome problems, and have patience. We're gonna head inside, check out Dismantle, and find out what they're all about and what their vision is. All right, so we're here at Dismantle Warehouse, and we're just gonna find out a little about what they're about. We have Pat here. Pat is one of the men behind this whole project, and yeah, do you just want to let us know kind of what Dismantle is about and what your vision is and what you get out of it?
Sure, mate. Well, look, the concept for Dismantle came through kids that are having a tough time really struggle connecting with adults, but kids that are having a tough time do love to fix bicycles. So we run workshops with young people that are having a really tough time. Maybe it's at school, maybe it's at home, and rather than just talking to them, you know, face to face like this is quite intimidating. Instead, it's shoulder to shoulder fixing a bicycle. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. We do that with about 400 kids a year, and we're lucky enough to get Todd to help us out with the program in Belmont a couple of months ago.
Thanks for having me. Do you want to show me the workshop a little bit?
Yeah, so come on through. Everything at Dismantle involves rusty bikes, so this is literally our bread and butter, is working with recycled bicycles. We recycle about 400 bikes a year. Then you look over here, we need an amazing toolkit to be able to recycle those 600 bikes each year. So we've got a couple of tool chests like this, we've got a van, we've got a trailer, and that's what we use to get our programs around Perth. And then if you come on down here, you see we've got more rusty bikes, and we've also got more rusty bikes right there.
All right, so we're here with Johno. Johno also works here at Dismantle. Just gonna ask him a couple of questions about the kids and what they actually get out of the program to begin with. So what do the kids get out of the program?
Well, the kids get a bunch of stuff. So one is a free bike, and another one's a donation. They get to donate a bike to someone else. So they learn how to give, which is really important. They also get 10 sessions with some really good guys and girls who mentor them along a bunch of different stuff. So one is education, so where are they in their educational pathway. One is their employment, so what do they want to do when they're growing up, or what do they do next year. And then the other one is more soft stuff around emotions and learning how to regulate your emotions when things get stressful or things get really intense. Because that's something that we learn as growing up, but it might not be something that they might have learned. So.
And what do you think is what do the kids get most out of this program?
I'd say 3 things. One is self-confidence, that they've built a bike and they can actually ride a bike. I remember the first time I rode a bike, it was a massive self-confidence boost. The other thing was lessons around how to learn how to deal with other people and how to regulate your emotions. And the third thing is a pathway to something bigger and something greater. So that might be some stuff we've got developed at Dismantle. So we chuck them in a bike shop and they get to work with some bike mechanics for 6 weeks, or they get to go to TAFE, or they get to go back into school and school becomes meaningful for them. So they're the 3 things. So self-confidence, learning how to deal with their emotions and other people, and a pathway would be the 3 major things. Yeah.
Thanks for your time, man.
Nice, dude.
All right guys, just wrapping up the session here at the local skate park. Good day checking out Dismantle, and don't forget, if you haven't yet, please go vote for me. Thanks for checking it out.